Hi, Matt.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is, so at the Polynesian, they only have studios or bungalows. So this is if you wanted a connecting room. Here is the first bathroom. It's got a bathtub and a shower, and the toilet and a smaller sink. Some storage. This is a closet with a laundry basket, extra pillow, blanket, hanging stuff, ironing stuff, suitcase holder, and a safe and some storage. And then they have a second bathroom with a huge shower, a waterfall head, and a detachable head, and then a bigger vanity here. And we have a hairdryer, some extra towels, trash, and some storage. Just tiny little drawers. Okay, and then the studios come with a kitchenette, so it's just a mini fridge and a sink out here. Some trash cans. Coffee maker, toaster, just ignore this stuff. Coffee stuff. They come with can opener, all this good stuff, hand soap. Cutlery and all that goodies.
Yeah.
Microwave. Alright, and then we got TV, and then this bed. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is the pull-out bed, so it's 6 feet long. And a little Lilo and Stitch. Oh my gosh, I want to stay here with the kids. Okay, and we have a queen. Is this a queen size or a full size? We have a queen size bed with 2 nightstands. Both have the USB attachments, some lamps, a phone. Because of COVID, we have our remote control in a baggie, which was awesome. They should keep that. And we have another USB and some other outlets. This bed pulls out into a full-size bed or a queen size?
Probably a queen.
Probably a queen. We got some cute artwork. And a little sitting area with this lamp. I think that's Maui.
Mm-hmm.
I'm pretty sure that's Maui.
Yeah.
It's so crazy how clean this room's gonna be kept because the kids aren't here. And then this is our balcony. A couple chairs. We're on the 3rd floor, so it's just beautiful. What do you think, Matt? Thumbs up?
Thumbs up so far.